The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Tipton County in West Tennessee, northern Fayette County in West Tennessee, southeastern Lauderdale County in West Tennessee, western Haywood County in West Tennessee, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nutbush to 11 miles southwest of Brownsville to 9 miles west of Dansheville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brownsville, Somerville, Nutbush, Dansheville, Oakland, Mason, Henning, Galloway, Stanton, Braden, Asbury, Yum, Belmont, Christmasville, Hickory Point, Taylor Chapel, Shep, Turnpike, Moy Corner, and Cotton Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Fayette, Haywood, Lauderdale, and Tipton.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.